Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of CSS with a focus on margin and padding properties. These properties seem simple, but they are crucial for controlling the layout and spacing of your web elements. By the end of this tutorial, you have a solid understanding of how to use margin and padding effectively in your web projects. Before we get started, let's understand what margin and padding are. Margin is the space outside an element, creating distance between that element and its neighboring element or the container. While padding, on the other hand, is the space inside an element, providing room between the element's content and its border. Let's break it down further. You can set these properties individually to create space in different directions around an element. Negative margins are also possible for unique layouts. Now, if you want to make your code shorter, you can use a shorthand property to specify all the margin properties at once. The margin property combines several individual margin properties into one, making your code more concise and efficient. When using the margin property with 4 values, each value represents the margin for the top, right, bottom and left sides respectively. For example, if you set the margin to 25, 50 pixels, 75 pixels and 100 pixels, it means that the top margin is 25 pixels, the right margin is 50 pixels, the bottom margin is 75 pixels, and the left margin is 100 pixels. And when the margin property is set with 3 values, it allows you to control the margins on different sides of an element. For example, if you use the declaration margin and then you specify 3 values like 25 pixel, 50 pixel and 75 pixel, it means that the top margin will be 25 pixel, the right and left margin will be 50 pixels each, and the bottom margin will be set to 75 pixels. This can help you achieve precise control over how your elements are spaced within your design. When using the margin property with 2 values like in this example, it implies that the top and bottom margin are set to 25 pixels while the right and left margin are set to 50 pixels. This provides a balanced and visually appealing spacing around the element. And when the margin property is set with 1 value, such as margin and then value is 25 pixel, it means that all 4 margins, top, right, bottom and left, will have a uniform size of 25 pixels. Now let's explore padding. Similar to margin, there are 4 padding properties: padding top, padding right, padding bottom and padding left. Padding is used to control the space inside an element. It's especially handy for giving your content some breathing room within containers. If you want to make your code more concise, you can use the padding property to specify all the padding properties in one go. The padding property is a shorthand that includes the following individual padding properties: padding top, padding right, padding bottom and padding left. This allows you to set the values for all sides of an element's padding with just a single line of code. When the padding property is defined with 4 values such as padding, then 25 pixel, 50 pixel, 75 pixel and 100 pixel, each value corresponds to the padding in a particular direction. In this case, the top padding is set to 25 pixel, the right padding is set to 50 pixel, the bottom padding is set to 75 pixels, the left padding is set to 100 pixels. This allows for precise control over the spacing around an element, ensuring consistent and visually appealing layout. And when using the padding property in CSS with 3 values such as in this example, padding 25 pixel, 50 pixel and 75 pixel, each value corresponds to a specific side. In this case, top padding is set to 25 pixel, the right and left padding are both set to 50 pixels, and the bottom padding is set to 75 pixels. Now when the padding property is set with two values such as padding 25 pixel and 50 pixel, it means that the top and bottom paddings are both set to 25 pixel, while the right and left paddings are both set to 50 pixels. And when the padding property is set with a single value such as padding then 25 pixel, it means that all four sides, top, right, bottom and left, will have a padding of 25 pixels. Before we wrap up, let me share some best practices and tips. Use margin property to create space between elements and the container. Avoid excessive margins that can lead to inconsistent layouts. Padding is excellent for enhancing readability and creating a clean, organized look for your content. Experiment and test your design with different margin and padding values to find the perfect balance. And that's a wrap for our CSS margin and padding tutorial. Now you can control the spacing and layout of your web element like a pro. Remember, mastering these properties takes practice, so keep experimenting and building. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. And if you have any question or suggestions, you can put those in the comment section below. Until next time, keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.